what's up guys? This is Gina and welcome back to my channel. Alright guys, so in today's video I am showing you this beautiful hair from DYHAIR777. DYHAIR777. This is their Italian curly hair. This is their 13x6 lace front 130 density Italian curly hair. So this hair does come in lengths 10 inch to 22 inch. It comes in straight, body wave, loose wave, deep curly, natural wave, and Italian curly. It has cap sizes small, medium, and large. And it has Brazilian, Peruvian, Malaysian, Burmese, Cambodian, Indian, European, and Mongolian hair. So as you saw before, the curl pattern was extremely tight and looked really thin. But once I finger combed it out, y'all see how big and fluffy it got? At first I was like, oh my God, am I gonna like this? Is it gonna be enough hair? Because y'all know I like really full, thick hair. I have like a rounder face. I'm, you know, a bigger girl, I'm tall. So I can't do no flat, thin hair that doesn't have volume, that doesn't have body. So I combed it out, I finger combed it, and it just really got to exactly how I wanted it. And the hair has really good parting. Y'all know I usually don't like uniform parts, but I was like, okay, this is a little bit different for me. It already had the parts in it, so it has like 3 parts. I noticed a part here, a part on this side, and there was another part too. I don't remember if it was down the middle or if it was deeper on the other side. But so it does come with parting areas. All I did was add a little bit of concealer to the part. I didn't do any plucking or anything to it. I didn't do anything to the lace either. Like I said, you can just add your powder to it. You can bleach the knots if you want to. To me, it looks fine. Unless you want that really like perfect, flawless, melted look, you definitely need to bleach the knots. But to me, this looks good enough. No one should be all up on my hair that close. I know a lot of the wigs that I've been reviewing lately look the same, but you know, they're actually really different. They look the same, but they're all not on the same level. This one, of course, this one's a little bit thinner. So it is like a little bit more lightweight. If you can see, it's like, it's a thinner hair, but once it's fluffed out, like it looks good. It doesn't look too heavy. It's not gonna leave you too hot in the summertime, and it is lighter on your head. I did notice that this is a medium cap, but it fits a little bit tighter than normal. So that's good for my head, because my head is like in between like a small and a medium cap size. So for me, this is like perfect, because a lot of times the mediums are just a little too big. You can of course glue this down. Of course, I always do mine glueless. You can see here's a little flap. You can glue it down if you wanted to keep your wig on for a few days. You see how that looks? It blends right on in. So you can glue it down there. Here's the other flap. You can glue it down there. You can customize it however you need to. But for me, I never sleep in my wigs, just because I don't need my edges going through that type of torture at night. I need my head to be able to breathe. Y'all, I'm really liking this hair. I've never had Italian curly. This is my first time trying it out. It almost looks like a deep wave kind of. But yeah, the length, let me see what length I got. I don't even remember. Length I got is 22. Let me see if I could stand up. So it comes to like, you can see like the top of my breast area. So not too bad, but if you flat iron it out, it of course will stretch. It will stretch past your breast. So it is a true 22-inch wig. No shedding in this hair at all. Let's see, I got a couple of strands, and I'm running my hands through my hair really vigorously. Let's see. So I mean, I got some strands, nothing too bad, nothing too crazy. Probably got about like 8 strands there, me running my fingers through it. So not too bad. And that could be when I just cut the lace off from the hair. It could just be some leftover residual hair from that. But just don't pull on the hair too much and then you'll be fine. But it seems like it's constructed pretty well. The hair does not have a smell. That's where it has zero smell. The hair is light, it's lightweight. I didn't put any type of product on it. I love the way the curl pattern looks. You can do different hairstyles with it, but this is always my go-to hairstyle. I did cut the baby hairs just a little bit, gelled them up, and they are sitting down pretty well. The edge, let's see how the edges look to you guys. Edges look pretty good, as you see. I didn't do anything to them. Yeah, this unit is really pretty. This is always my go-to style. Y'all know curly hair is what's up for the summertime. So this is just my go-to. This is my everyday. I know y'all are probably getting tired of seeing my hair in these type of styles, but this is just what I really, really like. I think I might try hair like this next time, either really short or really, really long. What do you guys think? Let me know. I will have a coupon code down below for you guys. Make sure to check them out. So I do have all different kinds of hair textures for you to choose from. Make sure you check down below for a coupon code to save you guys some money, and make sure you let me know how you like this hair. Let me know what type of hair you rocking for the summertime. Do you like this? All right guys, make sure to look down below for a coupon code. Make sure to follow me on Instagram. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Check out DYHAIR777. Let them know Gina sent you. And until next time guys, bye.